Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to give you one review of this beautiful pressure cooker by Hawkins, the famous company Hawkins. This is Hawkins Futura, and I am using it for a very long time, almost 6 years. So I have bought it in 2015, and now it is 2021. So I thought that it is a time to give the review of this very beautiful pressure cooker Futura. And you can see that this is very different from the conventional pressure cooker. The conventional pressure cooker, what you used to see, there is a perfect whistle, city. In here you can see that there is no such city in Futura. So you can see that this is the whistle. This is the whistle, and you can open the whistle like that way. And this is the vent tube. It's very different from the conventional pressure cooker, and this is the vent weight or city of this pressure cooker. And this is the lid, and this is the safety valve fitted with this pressure cooker. And this is the pressure cooker body, and this is a 3-liter pressure cooker. And when I bought, the induction based Futura came in the market first, and I opt for induction based Futura, and it's compatible in both gas and induction. And the main important thing which I want to share with you, that it's a hard anodized pressure cooker, that is aluminum pressure cooker it is, and it is coated with aluminum trioxide. So that makes it the pressure cooker 2 to 3 times harder than stainless steel also. And it is a very thick gauge pressure cooker, and here you can see that this is the gauge of the pressure cooker, and the gauge is even, totally even in the whole the pressure cooker body. And the base is 6.35 millimeter thick, so that the base will never bulges, and it stays flat, and you can fry or saute before any kind of cooking. So this is the specialty of this pressure cooker. And cooking time is very less as compared to the normal conventional pressure cooker. And the main thing which I want to share with you, that in the conventional pressure cooker, just like Hawkins or Prestige or any leading brand pressure cooker, there is a whistle. So the whistle blows, and we are sure that 5 whistles, 6 whistles, and my food is ready. But in case of Futura, there is no such whistle. This is the vent weight or city. The city jiggles like that way, and I will demonstrate this thing with cooking rice in this pressure cooker after this review. So then you can see that. And another, this is the foremost difficulty of this pressure cooker. If you are used to conventional whistle pressure cooker, and then you have to just change your cooking from counting whistle to counting time. As there is no such whistle, then when the cc comes from this vent weight, then you just slow down the gas and then count the time. And what happens, your food will be cooked very easily and very quickly than the conventional pressure cooker. So this is the difference from the other pressure cooker. And otherwise, this is a very good pressure cooker, and very nice looking pressure cooker, what should I say. And another important thing is that this is a very low noise pressure cooker. In general, the whistling pressure cooker is very noisy, loud whistles are there. So this is a very low noise pressure cooker. So be sure when the pressure cooker is in use or is in the gas, so don't leave the gas oven or the pressure cooker. Okay, so you just complete your cooking and then leave the gas or pressure cooker, as because the pressure cooker will not whistle. So if you are not here in front of your pressure cooker, so you will not know that whether your cooker is on pressure or not. So this is the foremost important thing. And another thing is that this is a 3-liter pressure cooker, and this is a quite heavy gauge pressure cooker. For that reason the pressure cooker is too much heavy pressure cooker. Here I am handling the pressure cooker, and it's almost 2 kg weight, okay. So now I am going to cook some rice in this pressure cooker and show you that how the rice have been cooked. So thank you. So here I am going to demonstrate the cooking method on this special Futura pressure cooker. Is little bit different from the traditional whistling pressure cooker. So I'm going to cook some rice in this pressure cooker, and here you can see that I have pre-soaked 1 cup of parboiled rice, and pre-soaked for 45 minutes, and then I'm cooking. So for 1 cup of pre-soaked rice, I am using 2 cups of water. So now I am closing the lid, and now I am coming. So here you can see that I have closed the pressure cooker, and I am waiting for not the whistle but the first sizzling sound. Okay, so I am waiting for the first sizzling sound. Okay. So the cooker start sizzling, so you can hear the sound. This is sizzling, okay, and this is cool. This is cool. And you can see that this is cool. So the cooker is in pressure, so I am slowing down the gas. Okay, so I will wait for another 3 minutes, as because this is a pre-soaked rice. So I will as it is pre-soaked rice, so I will wait for another 3 minutes, and then switch off the gas, and then open the cooker, okay, after natural cooling. So 3 minutes over, so I am going to switch off the gas, and then I will wait for the natural cooling of the pressure, and then I will show you that how the rice has been cooked. Okay, so I am coming back. So 15 minutes over, so I am going to check that whether the pressure has been subsidized or not. So this is the method of checking the pressure. This is the finger trip control, and I am just pressing the finger. So pressure cooker is still in the pressure, so I have to wait for another 4 to 5 minutes. So you can see that the pressure has been subsidized. I have opened the lid, and this is the rice. Here you can see that very fluffy and very nice rice. So this is the way to cooking the Futura pressure cooker. It's a very nice pressure cooker, so if you want to buy it, then you can surely buy it, but the price is little bit higher than the regular Hawkins pressure cooker also. The 3 liter will be cost after discount is 2800 to 3000, and the 2 liter it will be cost nearly 25 to 2600, and the 5 liter will be cost 4000. So if you buy this very special pressure cooker, then you can buy it. Thank you for watching this review. So hope you will enjoy the review, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So 15 minutes over, so I am going to check that whether the pressure has been subsidized or not. So this is the method of checking the pressure. This is the finger trip control, and I am just pressing the finger. So pressure cooker is still in the pressure, so I have to wait for another 4 to 5 minutes. So you can see that the pressure has been subsidized. I have opened the lid, and this is the rice. Here you can see that very fluffy and very nice rice. So this is the way to cooking the Futura pressure cooker. It's a very nice pressure cooker. So if you want to buy it, then you can surely buy it, but the price is little bit higher than the regular Hawkins pressure cooker also. The 3 liter will be cost after discount is 2800 to 3000, and the 2 liter it will be cost nearly 25 to 2600, and the 5 liter will be cost 4000. So if you buy this very special pressure cooker, then you can buy it. Thank you for watching this review. So hope you will enjoy the review, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.